Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram Reels. We all know the feeling. You come across an amazing reel, get swept away, and then, poof, it vanishes into the endless scroll. Fear not, Reel Explorers. While Instagram doesn't offer a dedicated watch history, there are a few workarounds and best practices to help you track down those awesome reels. Recent Reels. This is a simple one. If you haven't closed the Instagram app and haven't scrolled too far, you can often just scroll back up in the Reels section. The reels you recently watched will still be there in the order you viewed them. The power of likes and comments. Did you leave a like or comment on that epic reel? Head to your profile picture icon and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now select Your Activity followed by Interactions. Here, you can check your likes and comments sections. If you interacted with the reel, you'll find it listed there. Saved Reels. Did the reel resonate with you so much you wanted to keep it handy? If you saved the reel, you've hit the jackpot. Access your saved content by tapping the bookmark icon on your profile page. There, you'll find all your saved reels, neatly organized for easy viewing. Make a habit of saving reels you find particularly interesting or inspiring. This way, you can revisit them anytime without the worry of losing them in the Instagram abyss. Leaving a like or comment is not just a way to show appreciation, it also creates a record in your interaction section. This can be a helpful way to track down reels you might not have saved. While Instagram doesn't have a dedicated watch history yet, these workarounds can help you find those recently watched reels. Remember, saving reels and engaging with them are proactive strategies to keep your favorite content within reach. If you have any tricks for finding reels, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.